Hi, in this video, we'll be looking at how to create a new class in Google Classroom. So we have already created two classes here. You notice that this one has multiple sections. But if you decide to create another class without having multiple sections, then the process would be go to your plus sign that's at the top right hand section of your window, and notice you have two options. One is to create and one is to join a class. Once we click on that, we'll now see once again we have two options here: join a class or create a class. So as a student, you'll click on the option for join class. But as a teacher, you'll click on the option for create class. So I'm going to click on create class, and you'll now notice that this window here pops up. And what it's simply asking is if that you're using Google Classroom for actual school purposes. You're a teacher at a school and you have a number of students that you'll be utilizing this for, then you should go ahead and actually sign up for free for your G Suite for Education account. And this is very, very important because this allows you to get a lot of services for free to use for your teacher, for your school. I mean, you could also be an administrator in this case, like a principal at a school, etc. This is very important for you to note, so you can go ahead and read through that. In this case, I'm gonna select this box here, this checkbox, because I've read and understood the above notice and I'm not using Google Classroom at a school with students. So this is the only time you check this box if you're just using it for your personal use, okay? So I'm gonna click on continue. All right, so once you have done that, you'll now see the option to create a class and you can give it a name. All right, so it could be anything like, I'm just going to say something like Internet 101 here. All right. You don't need to put a section if there is no section or a specific subject, etc. You can leave that as it is. All right. So I'm going to just click on create. If you want to know how to use a section, you can look at another video that I've created for assigning multiple sections for a course. All right. In this case, I'm just going to leave it at Internet 101 and click on create. Now, once I've done that, I would now see that information with the class code, etc., that will pop up very shortly. And what you can do is you can simply use that information in terms of the code that will be generated to allow students to join your class. All right, so here we go. So once you have done that process, you now see this class code. Right? And you can go ahead and you can actually use this code to allow students to get access to your class, okay? And you can do it in different ways. You can do it via email or allow them to just join using the link. All right. So in another video, I'll actually show you how to do that. But I hope that this video actually helped you to get started with creating your first class in Google Classroom. So thanks for watching. I hope that you'll learn something new from this and that you'll share with others, you'll subscribe and also leave a comment. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in our next video.